Hi everybody, my name is Kubani and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright, so let's go to Photoshop, and first thing we are going to do is to create our logo. Quite simple, right? Our logo. Let's use let's say we want this. Make sure you select all the background. Okay, make sure the background is no more there. We want only the logo, so the background is no more there. Let's resize you to here. Travel and tall. Okay, let's do like this. Travel, maybe let's do like this. Just like this. Perhaps let's change like this way. So let's do like this. Something I want to do and I want you to see. Let's set it there. Let's increase the size. Let's make sure here is 0. Great. Now you can increase the size. Alright. Now you can increase the size. Now click here. Make sure this one is converted to smart object. Okay. Now hold Control and click here. Then mute it. Then click on the rectangle over here. Click here. Double click here and then click invert. Alright. What what just happened is that we've created a hole inside the bar. Okay, now when you are going to create a 3D layer, it's very important. When you put an object in front of another object, you don't see it very clearly in the 3D layer, but sometimes when you create a hole inside it, the exact shape of it in the 3D logo, it looks very beautiful. Okay, just trust me and then try it out. It looks very beautiful. Okay, so there is the color. We created a hole inside the bar, and then there is it. We can now delete this one and then click on Shift Ctrl Alt E. Remember, we still have our background off. Okay. This particular mockup in the description for you to use. Double click your logo layer. Click here. Let's go and bring it. Let's go and bring it. Put it here. Sorry. Turn it to convert to smart object. Then resize it. Great. You can now rasterize it. Click here. Click yes. Click here. Oh, you see the mistake we did? The mistake we did was that we left this one there. Okay, so take this off, click here, and then click here, and then it's gonna rectify it for you. It's very simple, very simple. So this is how you create a 3D layer, a paper logo mockup. Guys, please subscribe to my channel so that anytime I release new videos, you'll be updated, you'll be notified, and then you keep on learning new ideas and stuff that I release from time to time. And comment and like the video as well. I'm so grateful. It's because of you I'm doing this, so please like the video. Peace out.